So this is the updated tutorial for making a Discord role reaction bot with discord.py version 1.5.1. The other tutorial I made is for 1.4.2. I'll have a link to that in the description. I'm just going to go over the changes from the versions here. In the other tutorial, I went through pretty much all of it and explained it. So if you want a more in-depth one, go check that out. So the changes here is they added intents. You have to do that now if you want to get like member stuff. So from Discord import intents, intents equals intents.all, and then for your client equals discord.client, intents equals intents. And then to set that up, you're going to want to go to your Discord developer portal, and then once you click on your application, whatever it is, then you go to bot. Just scroll down a little bit, and right here you'll see privilege gateway intents. Just turn on both of these, present intent and server members intent. And then one more thing, for each of these, for each of the on raw reaction add and on raw reaction remove, you don't have to do it for on raw reaction add. Technically they kept that pretty much the same, I'm pretty sure, but I'm 99% sure you have to do it for on raw reaction remove. But the difference is that it used to be when you're getting a member, it was member equals guild.getMember payload user ID. Now with the 1.5.1, it's member equals get guild.members ID equals payload.user ID. And for get, you want to make sure you from discord.utils import get right here. Alternatively, if you don't want to import get, you can just do discord.utils.get, and that'll do the same thing for you, but it's just way easier if you just import get. And that's pretty much it. That's the only difference that you need to know. It'll still work, and everything from here on out you don't need to know, but as an addition to my tutorial from previously, I did clean up my code a little bit. So instead of the long paragraph that it used to be, which if we go to GitHub and we go to Metabot raw reaction, so this is what it used to be. This huge long list right here of all this. All this right here. So this altogether, all of that was simply for the on raw reaction add. I've condensed it into literally just this. And I do that by, so you get your guild and your member up here, whereas before I got the guild and the member in every single if statement, which is just, it's unnecessary. So you just put it up here right after your on raw reaction add, and then you do if your payload.channel ID equals that, and then if your string equals apex emoji, you're going to do the apex role. If it's the emoji for War Thunder, you're going to do the War Thunder role, Modern Warfare, R6 Siege, Minecraft, Among Us. Those are all games. So, and then else role equals discord.utils.get, which not sure why I added that, but I can get rid of that because, like I said, we imported it. Guild.roles name equals payload.emoji. Then if role is not none, then you're going to assign the role and then print it to the console for logging. So that's how I cleaned it up. And I did the same thing for on raw reaction remove. So that's just about it. Like I said, I'll have the links to my previous tutorial, this source code, this is available for you guys. And then also I'll have a link to my Discord server if you guys need extra help. Hopefully I'll be able to help you. And yeah, I think that's it. Hope this helped.